Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of delectable flavors with best 5 weight lose oats. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds and learn how to create this irresistible dish from scratch. So, let's dive in. Number 5. McCann's Irish Oatmeal. McCann's Irish Oatmeal. This brand is known for its traditional steel-cut oats, which are rich in fiber and have a hearty texture. Choosing these oats can be a nutritious and satisfying addition to your weight loss plan. Number 4. Steel-cut oats. Steel-cut oats. Steel-cut oats are minimally processed and have a lower glycemic index compared to instant oats. They take longer to cook, but retain more of their nutrients and can be a good choice for weight management. Number 3. Bob's Red Mill Organic Oat Bran. Bob's Red Mill Organic Oat Bran. Oat bran is the outer layer of the oat grain, containing a high amount of fiber. Bob's Red Mill offers an organic version that can be a great addition to your weight loss diet due to its satiating properties. Number 2. Nature's Path Organic Smart Bran. Nature's Path Organic Smart Bran. This brand offers oats that are rich in soluble fiber, which can help regulate blood sugar levels and contribute to a feeling of fullness, making it easier to control your appetite and manage your weight. Number 1. Quaker Oats Weight Control. Quaker Oats Weight Control. Quaker Oats offers a variety specifically designed for weight management. These oats are often enriched with additional fiber and protein to help you stay fuller for longer, aiding in weight loss efforts. If you're looking for a natural weight loss solution, click link in the video description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video. Share this to your friends